So as you can see, this is a Ford Falcon BA, and today we're gonna installing a brand new steering wheel in this car. This is a pure carbon fiber and genuine leather steering wheel from Kayhan audio. And let's get started. So first things first, if you want to take out the steering wheel from any car, and the most important thing you have to do is to take out the airbag at first. And for this Ford BA, all you need to have is a T30 Allen key to open the steering wheel. There are a couple of screws holding the airbag on either side of the wheel, so you need this Allen key to open both the screws. This is the screw which I'm talking about, and there are only two, one on either side of the wheel. You have to remove them. And rotate the steering wheel to access the other screw as per your convenience. And pull out the airbag gently and it should come off. And there are 3 plugs at the back of the airbag and you have to remove them. And just for safety purpose, we recommend to disconnect the battery, especially when you're working on the airbag. And now you need to have a key number T50 to remove the center screw in the steering wheel. Once you're done with the screw, just pull it out. And we got a brand new steering wheel in here, so let's get started. You need to connect all the cables which you removed from the airbag, and you have to put that through the steering wheel. And make sure you lock the wheel in position, it's very important. And put back the same screw which you removed from the factory wheel. And connect back all the cables which you removed from the airbag from the factory steering wheel. And put the airbag back. Talk to us on the below mentioned number to have a word with one of our representatives to have a complete customization of steering wheel, including the color of carbon fiber and the color of leather.